Hi, it's me, Clock Momo. Today, I got my first adult Happy Meal. Let's see it. First, we have the toy. Okay, so it's a French fry. We have this. It's the cactus. Alright, now, we got the chicken nuggets and the French fries, the sauce, last but not least, the honey mustard, and the drink. Well, at least. Alright, so we're gonna get to trying. Alright, now I'm gonna get to it. Alright. Mm-mm.
Started at 170 in January and got it.
That's ridiculous.
That's just one of my.
That's ridiculous. I'm done.
Did you have your wrap today? How was the?
We'll be back.
Did you try and get a hold of? Which one is the one that's down or?
Have them?
Kevin? Is that who you sent the message to?
No, I called Rick. The advisor said try to get a hold of the responsive one.
We need a spare.
Where's that?
Alright, guys. Chicken nugget. That was fire. Guys.
They need liquid in them.
That'd be pretty good. Probably not.
They're from Hotheads. Does anybody need liquid crayons?
What are we getting for dinner?
I don't know. We'll pick it up on our way home from Sam's. Okay, well, do you want us to pick you up something before we go? You want something from Chinese? I'll give you my card and you run up and get it? What do you want? Dylan? I've asked you 10 times.
Yeah, thanks for your
Well, I mean, I could have done it later if you're in a rush.
Okay, let me go change my clothes. Think of what you want.
They were not.
Yeah, they work in Boston.
I had the can in the middle of the driveway. I just knocked it over my car on the here.
Okay, listen.
I just put my car in the turn wheel.
Chinese. There's little roaches.
Alright, guys. It's the end of the video. If you guys want to see more video like this, hit the pinned comments and comment what kind of food I should do next. Hit the subscribe button. And like, share, turn on notifications so you know right away when I'm going to make a new video. Thank you for watching Clock Momo today. I will see you guys, and I'll see you on the next video.